Keeping in view of SBI clerical notification, every week we will be conducting two SBI clerk mains grand text section wise test. One is quant and one is reasoning. In this quant part I am going to explain. Weekly one exam will be conducted. That one exam I will be explaining through the video class. Okay, now let us discuss the paper, that is SBI Clerk Mains Grand Test Quant 5 Part 1. This is the Part 1, 25 questions. Then there will be Part 2, remaining 25 questions. Study the following information given in the paragraph, then answer the questions accordingly. The following information gives the data regarding the number of persons in a village who play three different sports, that is cricket, football and hockey. Each person play at least one sport. There are total 800 persons in a village who play sports. 43% of the total players play cricket, 52.5% of the persons play football, and 55% of the total players play hockey. 96 persons play both hockey and football, but not cricket and football, but not hockey. 100 persons play both cricket and hockey, but not football. 88 players play both hockey and football, but not cricket. 60 persons play all the three sports. Now we are having three sports. So let us draw three circles like this, because there are three sports. So the three sports are, one is the cricket, and other one is the football, and other one is the hockey. These are the three sports we are having. Total how many persons are there? 800. 43% of the persons, that means 43 into 8. So what is 43 into 8? It is 344. They play cricket. So cricket total 344. 52.5%, that means 52.5 into 8. So what is 52.5 into 8? See, 52 into 8 means 8 to 16, 8 5 is 40, 41, and 0.5 into 8, 4. So totally we will get 420. That 420 players, they play football. Then 55% of the players, that means 55 into 8, 8 5 is 40, 44. It is 440. They play hockey. This is hockey. Now 96 players play both cricket and football, but they will not play hockey. So they will come here. This is 96. Then 100 persons play cricket and hockey. So cricket and hockey 100 persons will play, but that is not football. 88 persons play hockey and football, but it is not cricket. 60 persons they play all the three sports. Now we have to see individually, only cricket is how much, only football and only hockey. Let us take only cricket. It is 344 minus 96 plus 60 plus 100. So therefore it is 160 plus 96 is 256. So 344 minus 256, 8, then 13 minus 5, 8. It is 88. They play only cricket. If you come to football, that is only football. Only football is nothing but 420 minus 96 plus 60 plus 88. Now if you do this total, it is 8 plus 6, 14, 9, 15 and 244. So the difference of 420 and 244, 10 minus 4, 6, 11 minus 4, 7, it is 176. They play only football. Now if you come to hockey, that is 440 minus 100 plus 60, 160, 160 plus 88, that is 248. So you will get 192. This 192 players, they play only hockey. So this is all the information we have from the given data. Now based on this, we should answer the given question. Okay, now find the percentage of the players who play at least two sports. So, at least two sports, how many players are playing? That is the question. At least two means you should take, so at least two sports. At least two means you should take which one? All the players who play at least two sports. That is these values 96, 60, 100 and 88. See, 100, 88, 60 and 96. So, if you take the total, 8 plus 6 is 14, 9 plus 1 10, 16, 24, then it is 344. 344 you will get. So, 344 is what percent of 800? So, two zeros cancel, 344 with 8, 8 fours 32 and 8 3. So, you will get 43% as the correct answer, 43%. Find the difference between the players who play only football and only hockey. So, this is the question. Only football we are having 176, only hockey it is 192. The difference of 192 176 is 16. Next one. How many players are there who play neither football nor cricket? Now the question is, how many players are there who play neither football nor cricket? So they should not play football, they should not play cricket. So this we can't take because this is totally football, this we can't take. We should take only hockey and that value is 192. Then find the respective ratio of the persons playing both cricket and football to the persons playing football and hockey together. Now, cricket and football together, that is 96. Then football and hockey together, that is 88. So, you should find the ratio 8 12s and 8 11s. So, answer 12 is to 11. The number of persons playing only football is what percent of the more or less than both cricket and hockey. So, only football is how much? The number of persons playing only football. See, only football is 176. It is how much more or less than persons playing both cricket and hockey together. So, both cricket and hockey together is how much? Both cricket and hockey. Now, the number of persons playing only football is what percent more or less than the persons playing cricket and hockey together. Now, cricket and hockey together, if you see the persons, so here the persons who play only football, we got 176. Playing both cricket and hockey together. Both cricket and hockey together, we are having 100. That is 100. So, 176 is how much more than 100? 76%. So, option is 4. 4 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. Next question, if you see, Sunil invested x plus 200 and Anil invested x plus 3000 in a partnership. If at the end of the year the profit is 48,000, the value of Anil share is 28,000, find value of x. First of all, Sunil is investing x plus 2000 and Anil is investing x plus 3000. Therefore, total investment will be 2x plus 5000. This is the total investment of both Sunil and Anil. Then Anil share is 28 out of 48. Anil is 28 out of 48. If you simplify this, 4 7s, 4 12s. So, total is 2x plus 5000. In this Anil x plus 3000, that is 7 by 12. Now, we should do the calculation. Therefore, we will get 12x plus 36,000 equal to 14x plus 35,000. Therefore, 2x is equal to 1000 and x value is 500. The answer is 500. Option 1 is the correct answer. Let us see the next one. Pipe A can Okay, seventh question. The ratio between the cost price of jeans and shirt is 6:5. Jeans and shirt is marked 25% and 50% above the cost price respectively. If the difference between the discount allowed on jeans and shirt is 40% and difference between selling price of jeans and shirt is 480, find the cost price of jeans. So here we are having jeans and shirt, the cost price 6:5. There is jeans and shirt, we are having cost price 6:5. So let us take this one 600x and this one 500x. Now shirt is marked up 25% above. So if shirt is marked 25% above, shirt cost price 500x, 25% above. Jeans is marked 25% above. So 600x into 5 by 4, that is 750x. This is the mark price of jeans. Whereas shirt, it is 50% above. 50% means this is also 750x. The mark price of both are same. Then if the difference between the discount allowed on jeans and shirt is 40%. So here, since the mark price is same, discount is given 40%. So 40% means 2 by 5. Discount is always given on the mark price. Then difference between the selling price of jeans and shirt. Now after giving discount, that is called as the selling price. The difference is given 480. Difference is given 480. Now let us do this calculation. So if you do this calculation, how much we are going to get? See here, 0, 0 cancel. Then 3 16s, 3 25s, 2 1s, 2 8s, 5 1s, 5 5s. So we are going to get 8 by 5. X value 8 by 5, that is nothing but 1.6. We have to find cost price of jeans. Cost price of jeans is 600x. What is the cost price of jeans? 600x. That means 600 into 1.6. Therefore, we are going to get 960 rupees. That is the cost price of the jeans. Next one. Pipe A alone can fill the tank in 30 minutes and pipe B alone can fill the tank in the X minutes. Pipe C can empty the tank in 60 minutes. If all the pipes take 25 5 by 7 minutes to fill the same tank, find the time taken by the B alone to fill 3 by 5th of the tank. Now A is filling the tank in 30 minutes. So A 1 minute work 1 by 30. B it will take X minutes, it is 1 by X. C it is emptying. So I am taking as minus, since it is emptying, it is 1 by 60. If all the pipes are working together, so 1 by 30 plus 1 by X minus 1 by 60, it will take 25 5 by 7. 25 5 by 7 means 180 by 7. This is the total time. Now since you are taking 1 minute work, we have to take 7 by 180. Now 1 by X is how much? See, this is 1 by 30 minus 1 by 60. So LCM 2, that is 60. 2 minus 1, 1. It will be 1 by 60. So 7 by 180 minus 1 by 60. So LCM is 180. 4 by 180, that is nothing but 1 by 45. So total tank is filled in 45 minutes by B. B will take 45 minutes to fill the total tank. Now to fill 3 by 5th of the tank, 3 by 5th of the tank, it will take 27 minutes. That is the correct answer. 27 minutes. Option 3 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. A vessel contains 232 liters of zinc and sodium, out of which 37.5% is sodium. 48 liters of the mixture is taken out and 18 liters of the sodium and 14 liters zinc is added. Find the ratio of the sodium to zinc in the final mixture. See, we are having 232 liters. In this 48 liters is taken out. So you should remove 48 liters. So it will be 184. In this 184 liters, 37.5% is sodium. 37.5 means it is 3 by 8. Now 8 2 16 and 8 3s. It is 69. 69 will be sodium. The remaining 184 minus 69, that is 115, that is nothing but zinc. Now 18 liters of the sodium is added. So to this we should add 18 liters, to this we should add 14. Therefore sodium is 87, this is sodium. Now zinc is 129. We have to find the ratio. So if you do with 3 29s and 3 43. The answer is 29 is to 43. 29 is to 43 means option 5 is the correct answer. Next question, question number 10. A train having 450 meter length, it crosses a platform thrice its length. So train length is 450, platform length will be 1350 because it is thrice. So total it will be 1800. It is crossing in 36 seconds. So therefore we will get 50 meter per second. This is the speed of train A. This is train A speed. If you convert into kilometer per hour, it is 180 kilometer per hour. Now train B running at the speed of 54 kilometer crosses a standing man in 50 seconds. So train B speed 54. If you convert into meter per second, 5 by 18, it is crossing in 15 seconds. We will get length of B. So length of B you will get 3 into 15 is 3 into 5 15, 15 into 5 750. Now this is train length B, this is train length A. Find the time taken by both trains to cross each other. So this is B length, this is A length. So total distance 1200, running in the same direction. If they are running in the same direction, B speed is 54, A speed is 180. Since they are running in the same direction, we should do minus 180 minus 54 is 126. You have to convert into meter per second. So into 5 by 18. Now if you do this calculation, 18 ones, 18 sevens, you will get 1200 by 35, 5 sevens, 5 240. So 240 by 7 is the final answer. If you simplify this one still, you will get 7 3s 21, 7 4s 28, 34 2 by 7. 34 2 by 7 seconds. That is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct one. Next question, 11 to 16. The table shows the the table given shows that 5 colleges in each department: arts, commerce, medical, science and vocational. Also table shows the received applications in the department and percentage of cancelled applications, male and female, and ratio of the male and female in the approved applications. See, we are having these departments: arts, commerce, medical, science, vocational. Total applications P 1400, 1600, S 800. This is 40%, Q 35%, 50, 60, 11 is to 7, 29 is to 21, R. So some values are missing, we have to calculate. See the first one. If the difference between the approved male applications and approved female applications in arts department is 200, then find P is how much percent more than the applications received in the vocational. Difference between the approved male and approved female in arts. Now this is arts. Approved male 11 parts, approved female 7 parts. Therefore difference will be 4 parts. That 4 parts is given 200. 4 parts is given 200. So if 4 parts is given 200, total 18 parts. Total will be 18 parts. Okay, here it is given 4 parts. 4 parts is given 200. Total 18 parts will be how much? That is equal to 900. That is equal to 900. If the difference between the application 200, find P. So here what is P value? P value is nothing but total applications received. So this 900, if you see carefully, this 900 is nothing but approved applications. Cancelled applications 40, approved applications 60. Therefore, 60% equal to 900. Total applications 100% will be equal to 100 by 60 into 900. Therefore, that is 1500. So, this is P value. Total applications received are equal to 1500. So, P value is 1500. It is how much percent more than applications received in the vocational department. So, we want vocational department applications. Now, if you see vocational department applications, that is 800. So, 1500 is how much more than 800? That is the question. So, 15 is how much more than 8? It is 7 more. So, we will get 7 by 8. 7 by 8 is always equal to 87.5%. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next question. If the difference between the approved male applications and approved female applications in science department is 234. Now, regarding science department. Now, if you see the science department, that one. See here, if the difference between the approved male applications and approved female applications in the science department. Now, if you see science department, approved male and approved female 43 and 17, difference is 26 parts, that is given 234. 26 parts is given 234. Therefore, one part is 9 because 234 by 26 9. Then find the sum of the total applications received in science, commerce and medical department together. Now, we have to find the total applications of the science, commerce and medical. Now, if you see, this is difference 234, one part 9. This is rejected is 55. So, accepted will be 45. Accepted will be 45. So, we will get 45% equal to total applications are 60. So, 60 into 9 540. So, 45% 540, we want 100%. So, 100 by 45 into 540. Therefore, we will get 45 ones 45. So, 1200. Total science applications are 1200. We want science, commerce 1400. Then we will get which one? Medical 1600. Totally we will get 4200. Average means 4200 divided by 3, that will give 1400 as the correct answer. So, we want sum only. Sum is 4200. 4200 means option 1 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. If the difference between the approved male and approved female applications in arts department is 100, find the difference between P and cancelled applications in medical department. Now, if the difference between, let us see the next question. If the difference between the approved male applications and approved female applications in arts. Now, let us see arts. This is arts. This is 11 parts, this is 7 parts. So, we are given with difference 4 parts. 4 parts is 100. Therefore, one part is 25. But if you see this one 40%, this total is 60%. So, one part is 25. Total 18 parts is how much? Sorry, total how many parts we are having here? 11 plus 7, 18. So, 18 parts will be equal to 25 into 18. 18 5 is 90, 450. This is arts approved. So rejected 60, approved will rejected 40, approved will be 60. Therefore 60% equal to 450. We want 100. 100 by 60 into 450. So 3 2s, 3 15s. You will get 750. 750 we are getting. Find the difference between P. Now P value you got 750 and cancelled applications in medical department. Now if you see medical department total applications are 1600. Cancelled we got 35%. Now 16 into 5 80. 16 into 3 48, 560. 560. So one value 750, one value 560. What is the difference? 190 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next one. If the total number of approved mail applications in vocational department is 40 more than the approved female applications, then find the ratio of approved female applications to approved male applications in the same department. If the number of approved male applications in vocational department is 40 more than female. Now in vocational total 800, cancelled 60, so approved will be 40. First of all you should calculate 800 into 40%. Therefore you will get 320. In this 320, the males are more than females by 40. That means females are x, males will be x plus 40. Therefore, we will get 2x plus 40 is 320, 2x is equal to 280, x value 140. So, females are 140, males are 180. Find the ratio between females and males. Therefore, 14 is to 18. So 2 sevens, 2 nines. So 7 is to 9. The answer for the 14th question is 7 is to 9. Next one. Find the ratio of the cancelled applications in medical to that of vocational. So cancelled applications in medical. In medical we are having totally 1600. Totally 1600. Cancelled 35. Cancelled 35 are there. So we should do 16 into 35. 16 into 35. Then to that of vocational. In vocational we are having 800. Cancelled are 60. So we should take 8 into 60. We should find this ratio. We should find this ratio. See 8 ones, 8 twos, then 5 sevens, 5 twelves, 2 ones, 2 6. The answer is 7 is to 6. Next one. If the difference between the approved male applications and approved female applications in commerce department is 112. Now if you come to commerce department, in approved, this is commerce approved, 29, 21. And the difference, that is 8 parts, is given 112. Therefore, 1 part is equal to 14. Then find the sum of Q and total applications received in medical. Now we have to find Q value. See here, this is 1400, this is 29 and 21. That difference is given 14. So 50 into 14 is 700. So out of 1200 applications, in commerce, we are having, out of 1400 applications, 700 are accepted, 700 will be rejected, 700 is rejected. Then that is Q value is rejected 700 plus total applications in medical, 1600. So 700 plus 1600 is equal to 2300. So option 1 is the correct answer. Next question. Amit and Bunny, they started a business with a capital of 3,200 and 4,400 respectively. After 4 months, Amit increased his investment by 12.5. Bunny withdraw his investment by 9, 1 by 11. If at the end of the year, difference between the profit share is 1750, find the profit of Bunny. Now Amit is starting with 32, that means 3200. This is about Amit, this is about Bunty. After 4 months, Amit increased, so this will be for 4 months. After that, it is increased by 12.5%. So 12.5% means it is 9 by 8. Therefore, that is equal to 36. And we are sharing after 1 year, so 8 months. Regarding Bunty, it is 44. After 4 months, we are withdrawing 9 1 by 11. So 9 1 by 11 means 10 by 11. 9 1 by 11 means 10 by 11. So it is equal to 40. This 40 will be balanced for how many months? 8 months. Now 128 plus 288, 416. This is 176 plus 320, totally 496. We have to find the ratio. We can do with which number? We can do with 16. Let us try with 16. 16 2s 32. Now 16 6 96. 16 3s 16 1. So Amit will get 26 parts, Bunty will get 31. So at the end of the total profit, difference of the profit is given. 5 parts, it is given 1750. We want 31 parts, Bunty. So 31 by 5 into 1750. 5 3s 15, 5 5s. We got 350 into 31. So you should multiply 350 with 31 and that is our answer. So this is 350, this is 10. 10,850. 1 is the correct answer. Next one. In a game of dice, a person is given the advantage of throwing dice one time only. If he gets 6, what is the probability of getting the game shifted to the next person after 4 throws? So here after 4 throws means until 3 throws, until 3 he is doing correctly. 4th one he is doing the mistake, that's why the game is going to the next person. So throwing a dice one time only, if we get 6. So game is shifted after 4 throws means until 3 throws he is getting 6. Until 3 throws he is getting 6. In the 4th time he is not getting 6. So first throw he is getting 6, second throw he is getting 6, third throw also is getting 6. But 4th throw he is getting other than 6. Other than 6. So only one time we are giving. So probability 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into other than 6 there are 5 possibilities. So it will be 5 by 6. Therefore this is 5 by 12 96. 5 by 12 96 is the correct answer. Next question. The age of Sonali is 25% more than that of Mitra. If the ratio of the present age of Mitra to Sam is 4:9 and after 12 years the age of Sam and Sonali will be 40, then find the age of Sonali 4 years hence and Sam 6 years hence. Now we are having one person called Sonali, then Mitra, then there is Sam also. Sonali is 25% more, so 5 is to 4. Mitra, Sam 4 is to 9. Now, after 12 years, the average of Sam and Sonali. Sam 9x, Sonali 5x. So, total 14x. After 12 years, so after 12 years, the average 80. So, total average 40 means total 80. But after 12 years means since there are 2 persons, you should remove 24. So 80 minus 24 is 56. Therefore, 14 parts equal to 56. Therefore, 1 part is equal to 4. If 1 part is equal to 4, Sonali age 5 parts. 5 into 4 20. After 4 years it will be 24. Now Sam 6 years ago. So 9 into 4 36 minus 6 30. So we have to find the sum. 34 30 plus 24 54. 54 is the correct answer. Next question. If the difference between the compound interest and total simple interest, compound interest for 2 years only, whereas simple interest for 3 years, on certain sum is 4,224. What is the compound interest and when 2 times of the same sum is invested at 10% for 2 years? Now, here compound interest is there, simple interest is there. First of all, if you take compound interest, that is 12% for 2 years means you will get 25.44. Why? Because 12 into 2, 24. 12 into 2, 24. You are going to get 12 square 144. So, therefore, net interest 25.44. Now, if you see the simple interest, and that is for 3 years for 12%, 36. 12 into 3, 36. The difference of 36 and 25.54, that is 10.56. The difference is given 4,224. If 10.56 is 2,424, 100 will be equal to 100 by 10.56 into 4,224. Now, if you do this calculation, exactly it will go 400. Exactly it will go 400. But here there is a decimal after 2 places. So, therefore, the principal is 40,000. 40,000. Now, what is the compound interest and when 2 times of the same principal? So, 40,000 is the principal, 2 times means 80,000. 10% for 2 years means 21%. Therefore, you will get 16,800. That is the final answer. Option 2. Next question. Find the wrong number in the given series. So, we have to find the wrong number. 5, 86, 174, 276, 399, 558 and 736. So, this one 81. This one if you see 86 and 174 difference we will get 88. 174, 276, 102. 276 and 399 you will get 123. Now, if you observe here common gap 7, 14, 21. So, next it should be 28. 123 plus 28 should be 151. So, 399 plus 151 it should be equal to 550, which is the correct number. 558 is wrong. Now, next question. 11.5, let us see the next one. 11.5 and 34. See 11.5, 34, 58, 85, 116.5, 154 and 200. Now, 11.5 and 34 means 22.5. 34 and 58 you will get 24. 58 and 85 you will get 27. 85 and 116.5 it is 31.5. Now, if you observe here gap 1.5, this is 3, this is again 4.5. So, 1.5, 3, 4.5, next time it should be 6. So, it is 37.5. 116.5, 37.5, 154 correct only. Next one it should be 7.5. So, that is 45. 154 plus 45 is 199, which is the correct one. 200 is the wrong. 200 is definitely wrong. Next question. Let us see the next one. 4, 4,100, 5,124, 5,380, 5,444, 5,460, 5,468. Now, if you observe the gap here, 4, 4,100, let us see these numbers where the gap is very near. 5,124, 5,380, difference 256. 5,380, 5,444, difference 64. 5,444, 16 is the difference. Therefore, we can say like this, 4 square, 4 power 3, 4 power 4. Similarly, here you will get 4 power 1, where it is 4. So, 5,460 plus 4 is 5,464. So, This itself is the wrong number. First one. Next question, 24th question. 576, then 484, 400, 324, 256, 216, 144. Now if you observe all the numbers carefully, these are nothing but squares. 22 square, 20 square, 18 square, 16 square, then it should be equal to 14 square 196. So this is definitely wrong. Next one, 8, 15, 29, 57, 112, 225, 449. Now into 2 minus 1, again into 2 minus 1, into 2 minus 1, into 2 again minus 1. Now this is also into 2 minus 1. So 112 into 2 is 224 minus 1. So here 57 into 2 is 114. 114 minus 1, it is 113, not 112. So first one is definitely wrong. So remaining will continue in the next class.